but and then some be can be o high enche dem fira ntoma ye be kan say de tie na ama bibia timi ada ho because see abusuen edru ba bia ese nipa botena se na ubisa ho nsemfua bi na wo pe answers to those questions no yes ahu tembia waso betimi ayehye when a man bema ne nan mienu kura mu abu na ne sisi na nkasa kura no ya twoko no kura na obetimi awoba okay they make what I say nti ma mo yes I started say na obi o yare for 15 years no timi wo ba no one who that the Lumba so original platform so or perform that the Lumba yenim no those days original platform so obedi asasa throughout the hope on nana champon they were dancers, they were very good dancers but do baby that do be tonyoma ontimpo ngoso no ho na nyom na oto no be num suo sa make program bia na Lumba wase otonyom bia line bia na yes ogin suo no wanom. That should tell you the man was not well, he was sick. I mean, share and yeah, actually your buy you, actually ofrim you. Make us a Lumba onion free mono. Bear 3, 4 years, 5 years, you know me said Lumba non tiapo. Go here, none of food I kese. First thing, 2 hetem be a noche, sa top and down ibino. Just to cover na food na I kese. Na onia ho den. That the Lumba a perform here. Otonyum line bia na waji to both obi Jnana chi a okura nsuo. No nsuo no. Such a person on tiapo. Nti on tiapo na watimi awo nto owo sa na ayeden. Ade sebi ne spinal cord na che ne bema mu ana say ne spinal cord no lamba na mu abu ana say dey no mienu abu nti no ne bema nso ya na. No, it's never like that. The spinal no issue. It doesn't mean say no ontimi function as a man. Just as no because no be or yare no na otimi wo 6 no. That the Lumba was not feeling well. You know you stage so. Lumba, I mean can be been sure say now you person kokofra no kra for Duma Fest 2026. And the team no say no that the Lumba na performance no oni ahoden. Oni ahoden. And into no we all know say that Duma no ntiapo nti mo mfa agent ntonye say no obi a on tiapo no na watimi awo no because opa o ye nurse ni a mama powe we ye nurse ni na wo ha na be ma bi dampa no so wo nurse hospital ho na onhu de oye no ho na wo do pa ma obi nkuku di ne be ma ho agoro hwese ne be ma na nsore ya ni pains ni nyina beko ti munya sa asala maka da di ba on tiapo na otimi wo sesin yes obi ntiapa no e be ma still na obetimi agba adwuma ne yafu ya ne yapa o kam aje mi yafu ya bi yo so na ogba adwuma a man can do that okay the enfa no ntonche babu sun ye de make ab si ya ne say wo your bema ti ase you need to really understand say oba woni ne bo say see ye you know say edru ba bia wa pom din ekofom na wa ho odin say de tie wuntimi enkom ma say de okoba ne ya so sa oba no obetena wo nchen ana wan hwe ya obetie wa mo dwana kontem enye de Lumba nkoa na yo obema wa free ne ye chi ni oba afafra kwotena yo mema bebrebe we anya story you I'm being sincere with you Ghana asofo mpompemfa asofa kasefo mo wodin bebrebe wo ma won chenchen o ma wo magu nchen we nya story the amana be story that the Lumba no or a public figure and of film achi no na yere panyi e ba ye na yere ketoa na ekoko court and na ma we be story we anya story I'm being sincere with you it is not a story anya story you are in 2025 the world is changing bibi atwam na the way asoso nyamesom so no now it is not like that we you if say there 10-15 years ago oba ware for address na ne nam kokum kra te ho a obi abeka se ni kunu no kwase ampanyin se bi because oba wo ye ware for na wadress sei utie ni ye me say 15-20 years ago oba ware for address na uhuni na kokom mpa amanfo beka se na oba bi oye ba ware for e na wonam kokom da hoyi ene 2026 Oba ware for bed dress na no fo no wa pumping soko na wo soro ha. Na odi nkuto bi asra so na ye hyem. Ade ye hyem no se bi mpraduasa. Ne to esisi mu kutunkutu. Se bi ohe nanim kura na bibia e show. Oyo oba ware for obekọ kroma ba obi anka ho hwe. Nti wadwe ne se bibia se sasa no mema so no omo nsesa nyensem hunu. Oba ware for na okura phone oye TikTok no bu atopa den we video so oye ware for do bi ere. The world is changing. Today the Lumba story say oh now now you are talking about that Lumba, a musician of that caliber. Now what's a musician keten is underground for come where you the best 10 till you grow he ubetimi hu oba bi sebi at times say pie ko programs utimi hu oba bi no for pa o na o ring ade odi afa no for no so aye so chen no ubebi say utimi say aba we pa na ade we pumping na den o pese obegi obeton anase den. I mean it happens around enye news biem ana de make money ase. It is no more a news for a married woman to go out there to be doing all those things. It is happening everywhere. So I don't think it is news. Say that the Lumba no on any area Akosua say watching on your baby woman. This is not news. Any news be yeah kwaku and crow. Now you go out there and you see married women and how they dress. How they dress. If you go to the market, and I don't know whether now no a new style aba. Say man omo ko marketer. Omo nse nika. Tieni yo. Menim say a news aba say nem man no. So omo ko a marketer. Omo nse nika. Na omo nse short atare bi a ekata ka kraa bi. Nika no nye ne ekata bi o ade light omo say bi ekata omo yi say omo bi show. Everything is showing. Na ni kunu asin wo kanum na wawura mall ekotade na o chiako obawarefo oni ni kunu na ko ye. But I'm telling you 20 years ago efiempo obawarefo wuntimu enye sa na ntifie. Abu say dey make ohun for our Bible no Quran no bagita na 20. I'm talking about what is happening now. And tadia 20 years ago no obaware for entimin hye nante ni fie ono ani fie ono ontimin hye nante ho no sa obaware for no obehye de atena ka mu ma na kunu akosini wo market ama na wura market a sebi sa de ani na hye no na market wo obedi dwa wi kama obi hwe no mpo nka bibi nkyere no because it is not news. Until we are na change you do that point no na a musician of that Lumba's caliber no so I get me a news me, it is not news. Even though I don't encourage that, but it is not news. It is not. Na mo kura bi amana na hwa mo de mu diko ya de mamo no ma he de dimachi. No, ye fa bronto nchen. E mema mo wa se CA. Dodo na bi kwa mekan yankasa ye ni ye fi. Yankasa ye ni ye ka ye ni aduma bi obi aduma na ye. Yankasa no emahe ene di echi mbeka ne kwara mo ntwere ha na mehwe. The system is just too bad. Everything is messed up. The system is completely polluted. Me say mema mo ha. Sa mo beka no kra. E bi kwa meken woni ka miensa, woni fie miensa. Wankasa no twere ho say wo mpenafo ya he. Emahe na di wachi sisi. I am waiting. And remember, people said, "Mama said, come on right now." Say, "What's the CA? What am I in a do what you?" Kevin, I found said 3. Kevin, oh, how many companies? Oh, how many cars? Oh, if you Eugene said 2. Made them a some kind of correct. What kind of correct? Me person mun train them into. Obisi over 3. Obisi over 2. But oh, how many companies? Oh, how many cars? Oh, if you are over 3 or 2. That the Lumba at this caliber no. So our man 2 what is a news in this our 21st century 2026. Abdul Karim, I'm waiting. Am I here to do what you? Kobina Bentum say 2. Yes. Why? What kind of correct? Bentum, but how many companies now? how many fear no what to see? How many cars now? Oh, 2. What kind of credit? Market, why you say 3? Why you batch how many companies in our fear here now? Cars are here now. Oh, 2 or 3. They have 3 and 4. Meaning, me, I'm a psychic. Do you ever come 2 or 4? Or you ever cut 3 or 7? You'll be telling me that we can't say it. I'm saying what I'm telling you. Say 4. I'm a Muslim, low. Yes. Hansen say or 4. Or you come money. That's okay. Yes. Until they don't have a incredible 4 or 4. To be also 2 no or what or 6. Obi o kasa or 3 no or 8. So if you offer out can grow. What I make Emmanuel Mesa said me was 3. Emmanuel was 7 no one can. I said my house I haven't completed. Yes. On see if you about what 3. Until one no be say at your position in life, ebi a wunni company. Ebi a fear back obi no wasi bia or car back obi no. One no mommy and send the and you expect that Lumba, that caliber no. So one man be no a news and I make any news. To me, even though I don't encourage you say people should go and have multiple partners, but I'm telling you, say I'm being realistic. Any news. Fair promote to say I now limit myself to 2 because before now base 15 no. See, Abusia, today what we're discussing here, I want you to understand something. And they say, who your bower? Now when the bear tear, I want you to understand. I want you to understand. So when in pefe says a bear mafufuru bi owo sikase wukuno, and a boy no hono. So two nanite the see susua. The possibility say one way you over fall to that man very high. You being a woman awa. Be sincere to yourself. A man in a how omukunu how mukunati obini omada. Wouldn't meka. Yes, you can't say it because you can't be yourself. But I tell you, say many women are doing that. You have a husband, but who couldn't who ex be a buffon back. You are married with your husband, with a child, with 2 kids, and so who ex be nan senten baby ko fa home man buffon fast. Now di mika ba fi. You are here. A mo humpo very. Yes. Oh, very important. Oh, Nana, do money more brim. Boniface now, Conway, if you know, what I know. I let her found a Boniface or come a cataba. You bet me how. What I'm telling you, you're a bear man. Take care of your health. Show health here. Men will be more stress. At the end of the day, no, our Jnana say is stressful. Yeah. Or be may be an or responsible. Our Jnana say is stressful. That. Obesorano pa. Say wo say wundi no. Something must be on the table for the kids. Yeah. So wundi wo. The time of soon you clear if it were, you should do that. So our Jnana is stressful that. To your Bema, I'm telling you, you should take care of your health. Bisa hon say office or bana on any one. Or chinebi come na how I will provide you with fear no untimu nyibiu. And yan no kwa on yes be what you man of you. But one sign tear upon come to the place of bana town. How many women are ready to bear that kind of difficulties? Only few. Our dear nephew. Nani nyina mu sukura no oba na wo wani abere a obebɔ ka akɔtena na ho akɔfa na betena ofia obɔ no ho ka no wanya lucky asa oba no obefiri wachi ne obi akɔda ya hadi ya me kan wunim you know no see abusu ya dia me ka kire otie nie and then man your young girl no musisuwa or no banner or young girl on pebe may be a baby news. The reason being says social media and casano a pressure and a toman crofo. Social media we no a pressure. Obi for plane of fire the second no ultimate to economy. But the life no obi ehun to oyesikani. And in tempa no nya for plane no wura mu na nipa nya wura mu kese no. In tempa na wakotena first class ho and a business class. Na waye yes how omo yi no mo ye na bisa omo snap so omo ye den no waye ye bia be say 2-3 minutes. Na ya permanent free ho na wakotena na yi ho. The economy ho na man kwakye so den o da ko ntimu na obeduru fia na wa post first class video no and na business video na to abonten nti wonu such a person ya wadanfo a now the last time otu kwakọ tena economy a na wa ha say bi say na me ni pay be ma ben wanya ni ntia o no otimi twa first class na business class no nti be ma wona ne te ho no sa be ma no entimi mma osika edi twa business and as a first class a now no wo dwen say obenya obi a obetwa business and first class the amount abuzie hwe ene a man be no because man aye we more remember they na entire show off be show off e bia wa to cars bi na oba de obetim kura to kwa ko Dubai mall Dubai say easy anybody can go oko Dubai mall ha na we wura ba bia sa branded places no okọ na ba say otobia omo wo nchen na omo no didi nkomo na wasososum na otwitwa video na ayi a obeda bonten a oba na wa post dia to ho do hu na ono wo bia me kan Louis Vuitton no sa big brand no man bo eden no wa ye hu dia selfie ene omo snappy ono dia to ho ntu hu a no say na madam video ko hu bi we nti be ma bi esa say o target no no didi nkomo na say sha ne ho pe wo do ho be manage see ya. This is what is happening now. All the young ladies, you know, we are better than new somewhere. I'm telling you, say, enya dia obedi wachi. And I wanna be wo nsam zibi abeka wonye ne bema ope. Die wo nsam no odi wachi. Oba na obedi osika na odi ni nyina wi a obekwa masa young boy na afaya. Abuzia, abrabo no is messed up. Our world now is so contaminated. Nothing seems to be working the way it's supposed to work. And these are happening around. To your bema o ha na won kun because bisa ho say oba na ne tena wo abre ho ano. Tina bi say wonni unkoma na apomudin ni wa sa oba na ofisi obetena ho ana he ade ba ko ebeye ya wasase wesu ye obi a wadi deda. Nyame ato nsam na ebedru ba bi na wontimu decide ma wo ho. Tieni ye de make fa kwa dwidwimo. Wadi yeda. One kasa to drive who around, one kasa who commanding crowd for what sense a check any order. Now you do baby na movement are limited because maybe you're not mobile. Maybe when you stroke or right hand no cry and be quite intimate nyajuma view until left in the crowd won't find sign signature. One kasa won't decide ma one or ba one in a tehono or ba no ye na dream say a wound or don't name me what jeopardy intia what couldn't care. Me say what won't penk ye. I didn't know some of you guys blaming that the Lumba me name as what happened. But I cannot blame him. For a man of his status, I only about to be any Dumba or yet Akosua Serwaa will be any. Never do baby no battle for Namna also case no. You might not know what is happening, so you might end up accusing him saying things. But me, I will not blame him. I won't blame him. You know, I experienced this. Might be almost the buy me ho. Or mother mind but not to feature him. Nipa Marco sex than they did it. No one said me here Jumayana in PM or inside the wire. Until Owood of Nipa sex in the middle of Konyamian and so. They don't Konyamian some more year, no more can you know what from her. And when I opened the man's palm, I said this man is a very rich man. Yeah. O yeskani kase. Nipa sex na di nachi. Sa papa we so odam pam sa che 2-3 years. Ontimi nya adwuma bi oni sika da ho ni na sika ni na besa. Trust me bedu ba bi no one single individual endi na chi fa no ko ba bi. Yes, by God's grace. Omo ba me ho, omo ba bio after a month and mine and kasa esi free the come buy. Even though na nsane dan ho de so. O buy. Yes. I buy na me so we okay because me hu na che. The American say nipa we say na yade na ba ho so no say buy be say a month or two. Say na aba. Sika wo ho. Obetimi atoto no ma ba. O da ho sa 2 3 4 years. Now ho nya nto. Wajuma or source of income no ebe block especially when you ade bi to say be investment bi a sika be free mu aba na ya ade say bi say o shop a o sika na besa esa wi a o ko ba bi a one single individual anywhere. Abusia, what I'm telling you, o party. And then yes, I don't encourage any man say be a uncle ko ya masam na yi ba wo no e bi a unko problem bi mu da. One tiapo na be oba when it was oba say person atete waka ho a no man will be ready for that. I'm saying today, and then man can have empower there already. First thing, into your oba now ne be mate. Not upon all the stress our phone car obo wo ho and akutia dowry koye we. Now some be man stress come. I am telling you that person no one pay you obedwane akọ. Yes, into onye dwane free won chen. No konyo oba bi oba na beso so no so di ani di be ma na wan hwe your own si wunchen kura biu. This is the reality and I want you to accept this. Keep this here. Obema bia na ono afiri ne maame ne papa fie abefa wakota ne fie ono aware ewo ma no. Yes, mu nyina na mo wo ma no. Fa ni die ma say nipa no. It is not very easy being a man in this our modern world. Expenses need too much. I mean ka say me nchiro. Obia minim no pa. Tio, obia minim no pa. Na na yere pa adwuma ye ba bia empayinfo ne wo. Do hamia I was not ready to look for the job for the wife because na yere no ho efe pa. And a young lady and who efe sa na all pay adwuma ye that area no. I knew say oba no kwa. Be ma no onye hia ni ba enshada nsha ne ho sa wo ka ba ko wa fi o mutim oba no will find somebody obeso aguna no do ha me for a very long time do do ba bi na say me dada no che na me ne panyimu bi o wo sa area ho kasa say mpacho me cousin bi wa wie school say wa ye ne master say wie o pa adwuma ye nti no obetimi aboa na ama ne ba bi a hye wo mo ho a at least obenya bibi ada ni panin ni me no so because of you, marriage. And or arrange baby, Emma Obana Shay. The lady is beautiful, I'm telling you. Very learned. Nuku no nyakwa sempanye be a nice guy, or ten come to car or two, or the bakwam Obano. Can you imagine say Obano nya chance say Omunko UK. Okay? Omunko UK na Omunko holidays. Bearman no try ticket here BBB no mokoye. Omunko not knowing say baby Obana ye jumano. Or boyfriend be a sikani a shan ho. Do any kunu holidays were UK no. And I can change a boy and say Omoko UK to the boy and getting any actually be no monko. See, and no D because until Omoko and Obano will be seeing ni ewo. Into Omoko a Thursday no or mutimi call Coco Chia a year and sister no more sa UK ho. And what you know, a woman no buy or come sister and who no call. Like that, I could be best a month or so, 2 months, UK ho. To one day or more, now more max 2 or 3. Or more happen and a man or more, a friend, a man video, no more cassa. The Omokasa video no so happen. The man say, we want to speak with daddy. Is daddy there? No, say yes, daddy is here. And or ban on the phone now. On any man of Casa was on the man you couldn't. Bearman gives a video call, no, say, and yet airport, the crowd, airport was somewhere. Obey and say now now no makasa. Do a crowd phone say no. And a message no notification air drop no. Sa na boyfriend no or what UK hobby no. Tie. Ne boyfriend na or what UK hobby no. Ne message a drop. Sweetheart, how are you? I've missed you. That kind of information no na air drop. And a bear man pretend not the phone conchen or ne man kasa. So all the messages in air trip and to we no of in chain or of your ban and chain. To an inquiry casaviano. or person unco back to that message in a by nanka ombi or they are to privacy into be a message na MBA into your call no or the come up no sir ma who so be say as any message na when no so madam for be no so you show madam for be a message na me hwe oba say me be message no no ya madam for tie or say me message no ya madam for or beka oba say message no o mbiye da na nipa na ya damfo. So he called me. Mo be do Ghana friend said, Daddy, me who dey menye. And this man, he's very responsible. Very hard working. You won't believe it. Say, Oba no nya adwuma ba bi o ya adwuma no. Me pese me bo hodin. Anopa be man no dware nkura no because kwa adwuma ntem. Na be man no dware nkura no wi a. Na why den? Ono ha drive o mo de o mo kwa adwuma. Tie. O de o mo kwa adwuma, ono so kokoye na adwuma, o adwuma bebre kokoye adwuma na. Omo pon na wakofo omo e de omo ba fie. Oba no mantem ti ono be ma no be ye aduane. Nti akiri na aya too much na say be ma talk for house help. Na the way house help no e serve be ma no. The way house help no e bu be ma no. Be ma no say daddy enye bibi pa. Urade say enye bibi pa. Enka house help we come fano anya mako ware no. He said that, daddy me tete say dey me kan e bia because a story. Daddy me tete oba no onya adwuma o. Eye me through me and oba no ni kunya madam funtina oba no nya adwuma wo. Omu tua ne ka big on say government institutions and baby wo omu tua ka yepa omu tua ne ka big time. Ba honest ka fon kwa na wo. Ndi wo be ma no enhye wo sa wo ye dan oba ne benya mpana. Nti oba wakwaye no hode abon ho car won ne wo ma no sa oba no asan ya twempena phone so hu say obi ka sweetheart I love you long time. How will you feel as a man? So he told me, he said, daddy, house help the way you good or serve fee or boa fee no. Say nye bibi pa ka house help no ko ni be 12 fee or house help nye we or na e bi an go be kan me because I mean he knows what I do. Nka because oprobi on tit in life. Oba no hwe too much. Oba ma bi ehu no pe no. Sika ni bi ehu oba no pe no. And the woman is unable to control herself because the pressure was social media no ni kunu no entimu enkwanche sa pressure no with sika o de be ma oba no. We make e ba ko pe o. Bebire. Because I make bebire. Baby, we are say so a man will suffer so much for all these things. At the end of the day, I need be keke no onya. She be me bia dia, be me bia kuma entimi say be ma be hu say me yera menene wo ho no. Sa oba no so ni obi da. No man can take that and sleep. She obi say Jesse, or say, same thing happened to me, Nana. I was using my wife's phone when I saw her boyfriend's message. We had 3 children and now broken up. Uti, Jesse, the Costa, some no. Or say, Waware, on any yellow mammy and sa. Or you shouldn't hear the phone, and who say, on any boyfriend, S. Ekasa. So a man will go through all that. Say me kan na sikatu bi edim yegina na yeko ware obi amoka obi ankotua any dowry yegina ye pe. But as far as say a man is forced to pay dowry and do all those things, you don't have any right to do that. Impose say we your ba men ka say men man konko jimi o and men man ko yes out. But what I'm saying is say you cannot expect a man to take care of everything, pay dowry and do the refreshment and do that, and you still go ahead and be doing that to him. That's wrong. I would say that me catch on and say, so I'm saying, Abia, who is here? But let's come to this year, 2026. Focus on all the members of transformation, Mubenya. Why? Mubenya. You go so mayor said me kind no your IT guy and his health ain't very good, so he might not be able to manipulate the system the way he did last year.